Stop! If you are relying on just one paycheck, you are playing a dangerous game. What happens if your job disappears tomorrow? No backup, no safety net, just stress. But what if you had a second income, money rolling in while you sleep, while you travel, while you live? This isn't a dream, it's a strategy. And today, I'm revealing the best second income ideas to break you out of the paycheck to paycheck cycle and put you in control of your financial future. Let's get into it. So, what is the best second source of income ideas for financial freedom? What are the best second source of income ideas for financial freedom? Now, let me start by saying that having a second source of income can be a game changer for financial stability and wealth creation. Whether you are looking to pay off debt, save for future goals, or simply have extra cash, multiple income streams reduce financial risk and increase financial security. Here is a detailed breakdown of some of the best second income ideas, categorized based on skills, investment requirements, and time commitment. And so I start by talking about online business and e-commerce. That's the first one, online business and e-commerce. And so under it, we have print on demand, POD. And POD basically means creating and selling custom designed products like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases. And platforms that you can use include Shopify, Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring. There is no inventory management required whatsoever. Still under online business and e-commerce, we have drop shipping. And with drop shipping, you're going to sell products online without holding inventory. A supplier ships directly to customers. And platforms that you can use include Shopify, AliExpress, and Spocket. And this particular one requires marketing skills to drive traffic. And still under online business and e-commerce, we have affiliate marketing, whereby you sell other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. It's a very good source of second income. And platforms that you can use include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale. And this requires blogging, SEO, or social media influence. Still under online business and e-commerce, we have selling digital products, and this basically involves creating and selling ebooks, courses, templates, or software. And platforms that you can use include Gumroad, Teachable, and Etsy. Etsy is particular for digital art, and there are high profit margins with minimal ongoing effort. And then let's move on from the online business and e-commerce to passive income investments. Passive income investments as a second source of income idea. And so passive income investments, under it we have stock market investing, and this involves investing in dividend paying stocks or ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds, and apps that you can use include Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, and E-Trade. This requires research but offers long-term growth. And still under passive income investments, we have real estate, that is rental income. And under it, you can buy and rent out properties or invest in real estate crowdfunding, and platforms that you can use including Fundrise and Roofstock. And this involves a high upfront cost but generates passive income. Still under passive income investments, we have peer-to-peer lending, whereby you lend money through platforms like Lending Club and earn interest. There is a risk of default, but high returns are possible with the peer-to-peer lending. Still under passive income investments, we have the REITs, which is the real estate investment trusts, whereby you invest in real estate without owning property. And this offers dividends and there is a lower entry cost. And so we are done with the passive income investments. We are moving to freelancing and side gigs as a best second source of income idea. Freelancing and side gigs. And under freelancing and side gigs, we have freelance writing, whereby you write blogs, articles, or copy for businesses. And platforms you can use include Upwork, Fiverr, and Test Broker. Still under freelancing and side gigs, we have graphic design and video editing, whereby you create visuals, logos, or edit videos for businesses and influencers. Platforms you can use include Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Fiverr. Still under freelancing and side gigs, we have social media management. And with social media management, basically you're managing content, growing followers, and running ads for businesses. And platforms you can use include Hootsuite and Buffer. And still under freelancing and side gigs, we have virtual assistants, whereby you handle administrative tasks remotely. And platforms you can use include Belay and Fancy Hands. Still under freelancing and side gigs, you can do tutoring and coaching, whereby you teach academic subjects, fitness, music, or business skills. And platforms you can use include Preply, VipKid, or coach.me. And so we have rounded up with the freelancing and side gigs. We are now moving to content creation and monetization. Content creation and monetization as a best second source of income idea. Okay, so with the content creation and monetization, we are starting with YouTube channel, like a channel like this one, whereby you create content on a niche topic and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. This requires consistency but offers high income potential. Secondly, under content creation and monetization, we have blogging, whereby you start a blog and you earn through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Platforms you can use include WordPress and Medium. Still on content creation and monetization, you can have podcasting. You can start a podcast and monetize through sponsorships, listener support, and courses. Platforms you can use include Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Buzzsprout. Last but not the least, under content creation and monetization, you have TikTok and Instagram Reels. And so basically, you are going to grow an audience and earn through brand deals, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. So we have moved on from content creation and monetization. We are going to gig economy and short-term hustles. And so under gig economy and short-term hustles, we have ride sharing and delivery services, whereby you drive for Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Instacart for quick earnings. It offers flexible hours, but it requires a car, and so please note that. Secondly, under gig economy and short-term hustles, as a best second source of income idea, is task-based work, whereby you complete tasks like moving, assembling furniture, or running errands. Platforms you can use include TaskRabbit and Gigwork. Last but not the least, under gig economy and short-term hustles is renting assets, whereby you rent out your car using the Turo car rental marketplace, or storage space, or even your camera gear. Whatever it is you can rent out, it will earn you money. So we are done with the gig economy and short-term hustles. We are now moving to AI and tech-based opportunities. So under AI and tech-based opportunities, we have building AI chatbots. And under building AI chatbots, you can develop and sell AI-powered chatbots to businesses. So basically, you are offering AI-powered chatbots to businesses for a fee. And platforms you can use include ManyChat and Chatfuel. Secondly, under AI and tech-based opportunities, we have selling AI-generated content. You can use AI tools like Midjourney or ChatGPT to create content and sell it. So use tools like Midjourney or ChatGPT to create content and sell it. So my final thoughts on this is that having a second source of income can boost financial security and accelerate wealth building. The best approach is to choose something that aligns with your skills, time availability, and long-term goals. Now, which of these income streams interests you the most? Do let me know in the comments, and also share this video with a friend, and also hit the subscribe button. It takes less than a minute to do that, so you can gain access to more valuable videos coming your way shortly.